everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare black soup. This black soup is a typical soup from Nigeria, precisely Edo State. So these are all the meat I'm going to use because you need assorted meat to cook this soup. So in here I have some cow food, goat meat, chicken, beef meat, abodi and shaki. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, before you leave, subscribe. Is a free to subscribe. You don't need to pay anything to subscribe. So guys, these are all the ingredients we are going to use. I will list all the ingredients on the screen. So some of all these ingredients, maybe you cannot find it here. I don't know, depending on where you live. Where I live, I can find some of the ingredients, especially the leaves. So what I did, I asked my mom to buy the leaf in Nigeria. She washed it thoroughly and she sun it in the sun, and she dried the leaves and later ground it and post it to me here. So I have this grounded leaf here. So this leaf, I just conserve it in my freezer. So anytime I want to make a soup like this, I'll just go to my freezer and I'll bring my black and my grounded leaf. I'll just use it to make my black soup. So guys, just watch out how we are going to cook this soup. Stay tuned and let's get started. So now I'm going to start working on my banga. Banga is palm nut concentrate. So I just buy this one in the African shop. So I just want to put it in a pot. I'll use water to dilute it so that I'll filter it, because at the end, the under, you find some articles. So I don't want that in my soup. So I just decide to do it like this. I put my water and mix it, turn it, stir it very well, so that there will not be any lumps in there. Just have to do this. You can put more water to be light. So I just add some water on it again, so that I will use it to mix it very well. So after doing this, I'll just pour it inside this meat. I didn't boil my meat, I didn't cook my meat, I just put my meat there because this soup is going to cook for a very long time. So you need to cook it with your meat together so that the soup will penetrate into the meat. As you can see the down, there are little articles on the down, so I just have to throw that away. So I'll just stir together very well. I'll just be stirring everything together because I want everything to just mix together very well. So now I need to add my Maggi. Then I'll add my salt. I will stir together very well. So then I'll add my crayfish. Then I'll add dried pepper. You don't need to use fresh pepper, that is a scotch bonnet on this soup. You just need dried pepper. I'll stir everything together. Then I'll add my locust bean and my the banga leaf. They call it benetete leaf. I don't know, that is the name they call this leaf. I don't know the name in English. I tried to Google the name, but I couldn't get it, so I just write the name. You can ask your parents this name of this leaf. They will get it for you from Nigeria. This leaf just gives the banga a nice taste. Then I'll add my stockfish. I'll just stir together very well. Stir together. Then I add my bonga fish. This soup is going to be Then I add my catfish, my smoked catfish. This fish, I did it myself at home. Add my mackerel fish. Then I'll cover it. I'll leave it to cook for about 1 hour. Because this soup, you need to leave it to cook for a very long time, and the meat, you don't need to cook the meat before you do this, otherwise your meat will be too soft. So you need to cook the meat with the banga himself, so that everything will just, when you are eating the meat, you get the flavor of the soup. So as you can see, I'll just add my leaf. This leaf, I have in this leaf that you see here, they just blend it from Nigeria. I have 3 types of leaf there. I have Oziza leaf, scent leaf, and other leaf which I don't know the name, but we call it ebe where we are in Benin. I don't know the name in English. So if you ask your parents, they know what I'm talking about, they can get it from you. I stir together very well. As you can see, the soup is almost ready. The whole time I used to cook this soup is about 1 hour 45 minutes. So guys, thank you for being here for me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please guys, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And you don't need to pay any money. It's free. You just only use your data. Understand? You don't need to pay anything. It's just free. Just touch the subscribe button there, and a little bell will just pop out. Touch the bell also, so that you will not miss any video I will upload. And also share to your friends. Like this video, leave a comment. Bye bye.